Good morning all you Bongo people, or it's afternoon now actually. Okay, so this for T5, I know it's swearing, I know I used to have a transporter, but this is a transporter door seal kit. I just got off of Amazon. There's the scan code, so you can scan the code, pause it, scan it, and that'll take you to where it's got from. Basically, this stuff looks like that. Okay, it's very squishy, very squashy. And when I had a Volkswagen transporter, the original door seals are these ones here, so they're quite flat. Okay, and after 20 years or so, they don't really give a good seal. But a little trick that they used on the Volkswagen scene was to put an additional seal and follow a profile around the door edge. So I thought I'd try it on here. So there's a hole at that end where I've cut it, obviously. So if any water gets in, remember that you've got to have a hole at the bottom end as well. But all I'm doing is I'm following the edge of the door down. If we get the seal here, just follow the edge of the door down and going all the way down, all into the little cracks like that. Yeah, keep it right the way over, all the way down, and it's self-adhesive tape on the back, and there's a hole at the bottom here to let any water out, and I've done the same across the bottom all the way there, making sure there's a couple of little slits which I've done with scissors just for drain holes so no water sits in there. Okay, and then basically when you shut the door, it's nice solid clunk. It's none of that rattling like you do on the driver's door, which if I go around to the driver's door I'll show you. Okay, I haven't done the driver's door yet, so I'll show you where I'm profiling. So this is the driver's door. As you can see, I haven't put the seal around here yet, I haven't cleaned up or anything like that. But if you watch the bottom of the driver's door and listen to it, it wobbles. The bottom of the door wobbles like that. Can you see it wobbling? Yeah, and when you do the same with the seal on, that's two things. It shuts the door nicely, so there we go, there's the door, and just smack shut. But it also cuts down the road noise as well. I found it quite effective on my transporter, and now I'm a Bongo owner, I thought I'd give you the same tip that I had. Hope you find it useful. There it is again for all you people that wanted the code. There you go. There you go. Happy Bongoing.